Part 2.
Part 2.
We got sheep head. It's one of my favorite delicatessens. And we got kidney. What do you call it?
Kidney pudding.
Kidney pudding. And we got
caviar, fish eggs, and some crackers.
no problem. So, sheep head. This is actually burned. We burn off the hairs.
That's why it's black like that?
Yeah.
Show them.
It is black. It is. So I eat the skin and everything. But because you have never tasted it before, I'm gonna give you a meat. I'm gonna take the skin off.
Oh God.
Well, I'm gonna eat it.
You know that's not good.
It is so good.
Don't give me a big piece.
No, it's a small.
That's big. Come on.
No, what are you talking about?
Make a really little piece. Come on.
But this is so good. This is only the meat and a little bit of fat. It's a small bite.
Oh my God.
Take a little bit.
Okay.
Take a little bit bite off the bite then.
Wait. Just please. All right. You eat them. Just please not with a little bit of fat. The fat just.
It's so good. Well, the skin is good. But okay. Less fat. No fat. This is so little.
It just looks. Oh my God! Please, I need the fork. This is so hard.
Come on.
I didn't do that.
No, in the mouth.
Oh my God! Please. Oh. I know you was not devouring it right now like that.
Right now. It's good.
Come on. We can pretend I tasted it in the video. I could just.
No, you tasted it. It's good. This is the best part of it.
I smell it from your mouth. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, we're cutting all this out.
Yeah, well.
Because I'm procrastinating.
So this is the best piece.
I'd rather taste the driest piece.
Take it.
I can't believe I'm touching this. I can't believe I'm touching this. Oh my God. It looks like regular beef.
It is.
It's not beef.
It's a lamb. See this one here? So good.
Alright, I think I'm ready now. On your mark, get set, go.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but just knowing that it's lamb head is freaking me out. It tastes like just a regular body part of the lamb.
Yeah. It's a little bit different.
But you're digging into someone's head, someone's skull.
I've never, but some, they take the eye and eat it.
Like the eyeball.
I'm not going to do that for you because I don't like it.
Why? It's nasty.
Well, the texture is nasty.
It's like slimy.
Yeah. So
let's talk about how do you feel eating people's skulls?
good. Used to go to Africa and taste monkey brains.
You tasted that?
No, I haven't. Just seen it.
I wouldn't be surprised.
It's good.
So, if it just tastes like regular pieces of a lamb body, why is it a delicacy?
Because it has a little bit of special taste to it. So,
Is it gonna pop?
no.
What is this casing around it?
It's the stomach of the lamb.
But like the casing around it, someone put it there, or that's naturally like that?
It's naturally like that, sewed together. And you take this, you make it, you make the liver.
So this is everything that they've ate?
No,
You said it's the stomach.
it is the stomach. These here are the stomach linings.
Oh, so what's inside of it?
Something that we make.
Oh God,
And
yeah.
then we boil it. And liver. Yeah.
Let that shit cool off first.
This one's good.
Don't give me that big piece.
Why not?
I'm not eating that. Come on, make it
If it
small.
was chocolate, you wouldn't.
Cause chocolate is chocolate. This is animal intestines.
The liver. So good.
Should I try this one?
Oh yeah. Taste, smell it, something.
Yeah, I
Lick
just
it.
smelled it. Is it? Ah,
No.
it smells just like the head.
No.
Okay, but make the small. Make the.
Smell like liver.
Make it small. Much smaller than that. Come on now, stop.
How little do you want it?
Oh my God, this is worse than trying the head because it's all mushy and it's from the stomach.
No.
Don't give it that big. Come on.
It's a little bit. I'm gonna have another one.
Okay.
This is a delicacy. So now pick from here.
We both don't even know how to say the word
No.
delicate. Yeah,
You know.
neither do I. Delicatessen.
Try it.
You see, you just almost stabbed me with that. I'll try it. What are you gonna kill burn the flavor off?
Oh, come on.
That's not good.
That's good.
It's nasty.
Okay. I'm gonna take the last bite here. And then we move on.
Yo, I cannot believe I just tried that.
And then the day after, we can take it, put it into pieces, and fry it in a pan. Make it hard. Put sugar in it. Okay.
Now the caviar is gonna be easier to try.
Black one.
Oh my God. I just seen one of them move.
Move.
Maybe it was just doing it by itself, but
They don't move.
I see some people take it like this and just
Yeah.
eat it. That is crazy. Not that much. Let me get. You like it?
Yeah.
It's good? This is, I guess, kind of okay to try. Fish eggs. Here we go.
Caviar. This is so good.
Nah, you grabbed it. That was not enough. Not that bad.
There are many different caviar as well.
Do you feel like the fish eggs popping in your mouth?
Yeah. You want to pop in?
I'm popping what? I don't know what she was gonna say. I can literally hear them popping in my mouth. So how many fish do you think are in this jar? If you guys can guess how many fish are in this jar, I got a surprise for you.
She's gonna be all night counting.
Shut the hell up. I'm crying, you know I'm damn well not counting. Oh. Is doing that in my mouth?
Yes. And in your stomach. That's how it works.
What is it? It doesn't look like a fish is in there.
What? It's in the bag.
Okay.
How does an egg look when you crack it?
Now show them how much you're taking right now. Show them that.
Show them.
What is that noise? I know you just heard that. Babe, stop.
Where did it come from?
What's that?
Rain?
Rain, really?
I hear only physics popping in my mouth, in my ears. It's the rain.
How is the rain making a scratching noise?
On the window?
Yeah, let me scratch their window. I already tried this, so.
Let's try more. It is so good. With this one here.
I would never eat this stuff.
Why not? It's healthy.
No, it's not.
Lots of iron.
You could get iron from eating steak.
D vitamin. Vitamin D.
I'd much rather eat a steak. I could really go for a steak right now.
This is so good. Usually, we have mashed potatoes with this. White sauce.
So the kids eat this?
Yeah.
No.
Let's invite them over.
Bro, you hear that? Stop.
This is the rain.
How is the rain making that noise?
So much of it.
That's you doing something.
No.
Nah, I hope they heard that because they're gonna know that's not the rain.
Oh, this one. This is me.
So why are you doing that if you know? Damn, well, that wasn't the rain.
I put the rain.
So in the last It's Nastyyy video, we talked about the stuff I seen being here in Norway for the first time. I'm here for the second time, and what else did I notice different this time?
You don't have your Reese's.
No Reese's Buttercups. First of all, if you know me, you know that's my favorite candy. They have no Reese's Buttercups here. Well, I haven't seen any African hair braiding shops. I would love to get my hair braided, but I haven't seen any of those. I feel like me being here, especially for so long, it's almost been a month already, me being here, and I feel like I'm gonna have to learn how to braid my own hair. I mean, that's a good thing, I guess, but I don't want to. I'd rather just go to someone, but if I gotta learn, that's what I gotta do. You can't return things that you buy from the store. Tell them.
Well, you can return it, but you cannot get your money back. You can get store credit.
You can't get your money back if you don't want something. That's crazy. That's absurd.
I think the US is the only country in the world that has so crazy open policies about returning.
Oh, let me tell you guys. There's this shop. I'm just gonna say we have this shop because I really like it here and I want to be here. So I'm including myself. But we have this shop where you can, it's not even a shop. You just go into this place. It's almost like a store, but you don't have to buy anything. Everything is free. Like I got a whole thing of books over there that I got because I love books. And they were completely free. You just go in, see something you like, take it. We literally got a desktop in there, a computer for free. Like how?
It's like a thrift store, but it's free.
Free. We're gonna take you guys there.
Well, the half-eaten.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's eating that.
Yeah.
You could see like the bone structure, the teeth, everything.
The teeth, they are up here with the tongue.
The tongue is in there? Or it's...
This is the tongue.
Oh my god, it looks... Don't.
This is the tongue.
I cannot believe you right now.
What? And you can see the bones, all the tools.
Are you kidding me? You're just gonna be breaking it apart like that on television?
Yeah.
Viewers discretion advised.
No.
The sink in our bathroom got broken. I don't know how, but it was a big chunk missing out of it. And we had to replace the whole sink, and we did it ourselves. So we had to throw the sink away, and to throw it away, you have to pay to throw your sink away. It's not like regular garbage and you can just take it out. You have to drive it to a place and you have to pay $5 to take it out. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video because I went way out of my comfort zone for this. Eating
sheep head
and liver pudding. Caviar wasn't too bad, but this, I won't say I regret it, but I definitely won't be doing it again. But we will see you guys later.
Why are you running? Why are you running?